Dulot.
Representing Grade 2 Veterans. Good morning, everyone. My name is John Christian T. Dorlao. I'm 6 years old. I believe in saying stand up for what is right, even if you're standing alone. Representing Grade 2 Veterans. My break your bones, but words will never hurt me. Standing in front of you, aling the lesson people. I am 7 years old. I believe in the saying that education is the greatest gift of all. My name is Kian Daniel Kartin, or Kian for short. I am 8 years old. I believe in the saying that life is the most important gift of God. Grade 3 veteran.
I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy I'm alone. If you feel come along if you feel happiness is true. Because I'm happy I'm alone. If you know what happiness is you. Because I'm happy I'm alone.
A blissful day, everyone. Studying product Q is an adorable girl named Anja Kyle and Spirit Santo, 8 years old, proud to be a grade 3 pupil. And I just want to remind you, I may be small, but I'm terrific. Thank you. Good morning to each and one of you. Learn as much as you can when we are still young. This life becomes too busy later. Oops! Don't become too busy looking at me. I'm Shama Chuchi Araneta, 8 years of age and a very enthusiastic pupil. Together with my partner, we're proud to represent